Brushing every day, but your cat still gets matted? Yes, it happens. The colder it's outside, we use more heating inside. Heating makes the air very dry. Dry air really destroys a cat's coat, especially in long-haired cats. Mats can form very fast, even with daily brushing. I recommend use a humidifier and a cat safe leave-in spray when brushing. And if mats already formed, it's okay. Just book a grooming appointment. I'll take care of it.